Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video I'm going to test the face unlock feature of this smartphone. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's see how good the face unlock feature in this smartphone. Xiaomi gives us a OTA update of face unlock sometimes in February 22nd, I guess, when the first sale of this smartphone happened. So let's see how good the face unlock feature on this smartphone.
So guys, to get the face unlock feature in your smartphone, you have to update your MIUI. You have to be on this version of MIUI. This is MIUI 9.2.4.0. Yeah, such a mouthful. So let's update it. So guys, it's updated finally. Now go to lock screen and password. Select add face data. Put your password or pin, whatever you have set. Then you got this security issue warning that face unlock is less secure than pin, password or pattern. Your device might be unlocked with the photo as well as people or object with a similar appearance. So just select next. Now put your face in this circle and it's done. Just select done. So guys, I'm sorry for the bad audio quality in some part of the videos. I am recording with some different mic. My mic was tied when I was recording the videos, so I'm sorry about bad audio quality.
Now the face unlock has been set. Now let's see how good the face unlock is. Right now I am holding the smartphone right here. As you see, phone is locked right now. Okay, as you see, phone is locked right now. You have to just press the power button once and see it get unlocked. Just put your smartphone in front of your face and it just get unlocked. It's quick in my opinion, but not as quick as fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is damn quick. As you see, when I just put my finger over here, in less than a second it just get unlocked. And the face unlock is little slow in my opinion, but it works. When I just press the power button, it get unlocked. As you see right now, let me show you. See, right now I am just pressing the power button. Unlocked. It's quick but not very quick. And now let's test how far I can put my smartphone to unlock this unlock this phone. So let's open this and let's put it right here. Right now it is not unlocking. Let's try again. Yeah, it did get unlocked. When you try to unlock it from very far, it is going to take some tries. As you see, now it's unlocking very quickly. Yeah, it did get unlocked. It's very fast but not very accurate because it's not like iPhone 10's face unlock. They have the separate hardware in that notch, so they can project some IR infrared lights on your face to map your face properly and do some calculation to unlock your face. So it doesn't have that things, but it has only 20 megapixel front facing camera from which it is going to unlock your smartphone. So let me try to unlock my phone with the close-up. Right now it's very close to my face, and when I press the power button, it doesn't unlock for now. Let's try again. It unlocked. Let's try again. Yeah, it did get unlocked. So when sometime it is not going to unlock in the first try, so you have to try again to get it unlocked.
So guys, now let's test the face unlock in the low light situation. As you see right now, the lights are very low. It's not very low, but it's considerably low as compared to other lighting situations, and the brightness is around 50%, and the phone is unlocking really quickly. There is no problem in the unlocking with the face. So thumbs up for the low light unlocking with the face. So let's test it with the night. So guys, right now it is totally dark in my room and the sun has been gone down. So let's test it now. So guys, please note that the brightness are more than 80% now, and it sometime it didn't unlock, but most of the time it did get unlocked with the brightness more than 80%. So it is a very good thing for 14,000 rupee phone to work even in the
try with
night.
the sunglasses on. Let me wear my sunglasses. Okay, so it is locked right now. It is not opening. I don't know why. Let's try it again. Press the power button. Nope, it's not opening. Oh, finally it's opened. Sometimes it doesn't recognize your face. You have to adjust a little bit. Nope, it's not opening. Nope. Sometimes it did get unlocked, but sometimes it doesn't. It's not unlocking. Nope, it's not unlocking right now. So let me remove the glasses. Yeah, it's perfectly working for now. Now let's try with the cap, or you can say topi. Let's try with this topi. It is unlocking. It doesn't matter when you wear cap for the face unlock of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, but when you wear sunglasses it matters a little bit. Sometimes it unlocked and sometimes it didn't, so it is better to use the fingerprint scanner. I use fingerprint scanner a lot. I use only face unlock when my phone is on the table and when I don't want to like grab it and use my fingerprint scanner. At that time I just double tap to wake my screen and I just lean forward to see the camera, and that's it. It get unlocked like right now. See, it get unlocked. So now let's try with the glasses again with this topi. Nope, it doesn't want to open. It doesn't work with my glasses. It get unlocked.
So guys, now let's test it with the photo or video. So first of all, I have opened a photo in my monitor of mine, so let's test it. So yeah, it didn't work with my photo. Let's play a video. Even while playing video, it didn't work. The face unlock is not working with the photo or video, so it's a very good thing in my opinion. So no one can open your smartphone with the photo or video. So guys, let's see whether it will gonna open against a bright light like sun. As you see, it did get unlocked. It's my light is not as bright as sun or any other very bright light, but it's bright enough to compare it. As you see, it's working superbly fine even in this situation, so thumbs up for that. But you have to try it sometime before it get unlocked. So guys, it's time to test it whether it work with one eyes closed or not, or both eyes closed or not. So as you see, when I use it with one eyes closed, it worked perfectly fine, but when I use it with both the eyes closed, it is not working. So it is secure. When you're sleeping, nobody can open your smartphone with your face, obviously. So it's very good feature from Xiaomi. So thumbs
So
up
in the
for the face
conclusion, I
unlock.
have to say it takes little bit of time when some other objects are involved. So let's see when Xiaomi fixes some of those issues in the future update. They have to work on the speed because the speed is not very fast like OnePlus 5 or 5T had. No, only 5T had the face unlock, right? Yeah. So like 5T had very fast fingerprint. I mean the face unlock feature. This phone, the face unlock feature is not that fast as the 5T, but it's very good and very accurate too. Only sometime it didn't work. 80% of the time it works. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button with the name of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Please share this video with your friends who want to buy this smartphone or who want to know about this smartphone. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.